In this Map Suite MVC Edition sample app walkthrough, we're going to show you how you can label some points of interest that you may have in a shapefile. If you take a look at this map here, we've just got a basic country background along with some major cities in the United States that are labeling their names by it. And this is a real simple example just to show you how to throw up some quick and dirty labels on a point shapefile. So let's dig right into the code. Let's take a look at the view source code here where this application is getting set up. And the first part you'll see is where we're just adding the map to the page and setting the extent and the map unit. And down here is where we're loading our shapefile feature layers. And this first part here is where we're loading the country 02, which contains the country boundaries, and giving it a style and allowing it to show up at all 20 zoom levels. And then down here is where we have the major cities shapefile that contains our points of interest. So we load that up just by giving the path of our to where our shapefile lives, and then we go ahead and set the point style that we want to render those points in. And in this case, we're just using one of our pre-built point styles, City 3. I think there's several different types of city point styles, and of course you can build your own or create your own and do pretty much anything as far as displaying those points. And then here's where we're doing the labeling. So we're going to set the default text style on our city's shapefile, and we're going to use the City 3 built-in text style again, and pass it the area name, which is the column name in the shapefile that we want to pull the text from to create the label. So again, if you want to do labeling, you just can set it to the default text style or create your own text style. However you'd like, with your own fonts, colors, etc., and column values, and build that up and just apply that to the layer. In this case, we're going to go ahead and apply it for all 20 zoom levels. So if you wanted to only show it from 1 to 10, you just change that from 1 and apply it to level 10. And then down here, we're setting the drawing percentage to 50. Now this, what this does is basically prevents a lot of cutoff labels along the edge of your map. So that way, when it creates the label, it'll go out 50% past the edge of the map and create the label out that far. So if your user pans right or left, it'll still see the label and there won't be a cutoff effect. And finally, we just add those layers to our overlay and render the map out. And as you can see, the end result we get is some points of interest here using the city symbol for that, and then the label of Minneapolis. Now in this case, all of the labels you see are down here at the bottom right, but we've got our next labeling sample, which will show how you can change the point placement if you'd like to change where these are located around this symbol, or even let the map control pick where the best placement is. So hope this sample has been helpful. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions, or you can also post them directly to our discussion forum at thinkgeo.com/forums. Thank you for watching.